Like colors, fonts can help you to portray a message and get the right mood and style for your project. To help you decide what fonts to choose, let's have a look at the 4 main types of typography. Sans serif. Serif fonts are those without the little feet at the ends of the letter form. Use a sans serif font for a modern, elegant, smooth, or clean look. Serif. As you might guess, serif fonts are the ones with the little feet at the ends of the letters. Use serif fonts for a classic, simple, traditional, or more sophisticated look. Cursive. Cursive fonts can be called script or brush fonts. They imitate handwritten and calligraphic styles, and they can vary a lot. You can find formal typefaces or also messy and casual ones. Use cursive fonts for a natural, handmade, friendly, elegant, formal, or calligraphic look. Display. The display typefaces are the ones with lots of character, like this one I'm using for the class design. They are made to be used for headers and titles and to create mood or feeling to a piece. They don't work well for big amounts of text. Use display fonts to bring character and personality to titles or big texts. Now that you know more about the most used font styles, it's great to also understand how to pair different fonts. Here are some tips. Like in layout and composition, it's important to establish a visual hierarchy. Make sure one of your fonts is more prominent than the other. It could be the weight, the size, or even the color. This will help to separate the fonts and direct the viewer's eyes. Opposites attract. Pairing a bold font with a thin font, for example, can create a balanced and interesting look. Combine serif fonts with sans serif fonts. If you're a beginner, this is probably the easiest combination to have a harmonic font pairing. If you are working with only one font, you can create contrast by changing the font's weight and size. Please avoid combining fonts that are too similar to each other. As you can see, it just doesn't look great. Make sure the fonts you choose have enough contrast between them to create a balanced look.